All right, let's take a look at 1.55. In part A of the problem, they want to know the length of the court in meters. So we have to do a unit conversion, 78.0 feet. I have feet. I don't want them. So I have to place feet where they cancel out. I know that 1 foot is 12 inches. I now have inches, and I don't want inches. Now I have to switch over to the metric system. If I go to the little button that says constant in the corner of the problem, it'll give me a list of data and a list of information. And they give you a couple different ways to go to English length to metric length. And one is the fact that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So now I have units of centimeters. I don't want centimeters, so I'm going to place them where they cancel out. I know that a centimeter is 10 to the negative second meters. So now I have the units I'm looking for, so I must be done, other than putting it into my calculator. And let me unbury my calculator from my very messy desk here. And it appears that I've got 78 times 12 times 2.54 times 10 to the negative 2. And that gives me 23.7744 meters. But I only had 3 sig figs to start with right here, so my answer is only going to have 3 sig figs. So the length of my chord in meters is 23.7744. Now, in part B of this problem, they want to know area in square meters. And area equals length times width. So I'm going to have to convert my width to meters as well. So I've got 27.0 feet times 1 foot, 12 inches, times 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch times 10 to the negative second meters over 1 centimeter. And that's going to give me 27 times 12 times 2.54 divided by 100. And that's going to give me 8.2296 meters of width. So that'd be 8.2296 meters in width. So now to get my area, I have to multiply my width times my length. So that is simply going to be 23.7744 meters times 8.2296 meters equals 195.65 meters squared, which with sig figs would give us that nice 196 meters squared. Just a second here. And let me double check. I want to make sure I'm not leading you astray. Good. I'm not leading you astray. And then the last one in part C. In part C, and everyone's part C will be a little bit different depending on how fast the ball's going. In part C, they say that you have a ball traveling at 185 kilometers per hour. How many seconds does it take to travel? How many seconds to travel? Length of the court. Well, Chemistry Cat was coming in there. You heard him loud and clear. We have a divided unit that tells us that it's 185 kilometers is equal to 1 hour. That means we need to find another number to start with, and that's going to be the length of our court. And we found earlier that the length of our court was 23.77 meters. So that's what I'm going to start my line with. I have units of meters. I want them to cancel out. If I go to kilometers, it gives me something that I can use, because once I have kilometers, I can get rid of them, and I can go to hours, because I know that 185 kilometers is equivalent to 1 hour. So I multiply everything on top and divide through by everything on the bottom. And that gives me oh, I'm not finished yet, am I? I need to go to seconds. So I need to get rid of hours. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. And that gives me 0.463 seconds.